Take the frustration out of internal routing with the IR-1.3 internal routing kit from Park Tool. Whether you're working with internal cable housing, electronic wiring, or hydraulic hose, the IR-1.3 has a fitting that fits and keeps the routing process simple. Begin by identifying your fitting. Use the Barbed adapter for brakes or shift housing or hydraulic brake hose, the rubber adapter for electronic shift wire, the Di2 specific adapter for Shimano E-Tube Di2 shift wire, or the Di2 SD300 specific adapter for that particular fitting. Next, route the IR-1.3 guide cable and attached magnet through your frame, using either the powerful guide magnet or in conjunction with the reverse polarity magnet guide cable to meet in the middle. From there, hook up your housing, wiring, or hose to your adapter and pull it through to its destination. And if you have existing housing or hydraulic hose, the IR-1.3 comes with a double-threaded barb, allowing for easy replacement, negating the need to redo the routing. Whatever the connection and path you need to take, the IR-1.3 internal routing kit will get you there.